Good morning, everybody. Doc here, Platinum Pro Wash, St. Louis, Missouri, with a beautiful ranch home to wash today. Go up here and take a look at it. Got some cobwebs and little things going on. House has a little bit of mildew, lots of dust. So we're gonna get some good footage today. Today I've got Noah on drone. Got my daughter Madison on filming in a little bit. That's right, life is good. A lot of dust in here. Need to take that down. Rain camera, gotta watch out for that. And as you guys can see, this is just really dusty. Those windows, columns, lots of plants around, so a lot of plant protection. I already got the Flexzilla filling up the tank. Got 200 feet of pressure wash hose pulled out to downstream. Gutters are kind of dingy. We're gonna get those nice and shiny. Got Mary looking over, so we're gonna have a good day. Some dinge on the fascia, the soffit area. On the whole, the house isn't really all that. It's not moldy and mildewy. Nice and shade under here, like that. It's really dusty. A little bit of dinge, a little bit of mildew. All in all, she did a nice job. Lots more plants. You can see those gutters up there, they're pretty bad. We're gonna get those shiny. Get that chimney up. Wash the windows. Turn that fan on. Whew. It's a hot one today. 103 in St. Louis. Yes, indeed. Got our hose out there. Got to hook the gun up. There's the Flexzilla. Lots of property protection. But all in all, should make nice work out of it and get it really clean. All right, guys, I'll show you some spray footage, and hopefully we get our drone footage up and going and get it knocked out. All right, guys, see you in a minute.